Less than 30 days to go for your UGC NET geography examination. Some of the most high frequency topics and revision things that you must remember. So we'll move topic by topic to help you understand better. So the first topic, geomorphology, Davis, Penck and King cycle, very important, the geomorphic cycles. Then the landform evolution. So again the theories, the concepts of deposition and erosion are the 5 landform features, so fluvial, glacial, alluvial, so on, right? So very important. The next is the section on environment issues and climate, right? So ENSO, La Nina, El Nino, very important topics. Then the climate classification, Köppen and Thornwitz classification, talking about the international protocols, the major environmental key issues and the recent policy guidelines that have come in. Coming on to oceanography and biogeography, coral reef formation theory is very important. Talking about the major marine resources and tidal theories, again important. The next is the section on the biogeography, as I said. So soil types, soil formations, the eridosols are very important topics, often asked. And again, ecosystem is a common topic, scoring topic, so I assume you would be able to do well there. Coming on to the section on population geography, Malthus theory, Marx theory, migration patterns, the demographic transition and the demographic dividend, very important topics this year. Coming on to the settlement geography, urban morphology, theories of Christaller, Hoyt, Harris-Hellman, Burgess theory, very important. Then moving on to agriculture, the agricultural systems, the agricultural location theories, transport geography, globalization, important. Cultural geography, we talk about the cultural dream, the races, the concept of state, nation state, electoral geography as some of the important topics. GIS and remote sensing, cartography are really scoring the topics on projections, scale, the large scale, small scale maps. Then in India, the physiography, geography of agriculture of India, then the major agricultural areas, industrial areas, the census of India and the population characteristics as some of the most important topics. So in summary, we are able to focus on some of the most commonly asked topics, and of course the history of geographical evolution, that's the geographical thoughts, with the Greeks, medieval, that's the Arab, and then the recent thoughts which are by the French and the German American geographers, right? So those are some of the important sections that you must cover. Now you might wonder that we have already covered so many dimensions of the topics, but yes, these are what you have to cover if you really want to qualify for your JRF examination. Also make sure that you cover your PYQs carefully. Wish you all the best. Thanks for joining in and have a great day ahead. Thank you.